Box contains 5 identical balls, numbered 1 to 5 respectively. Okay, so I can write them down maybe, the numbered balls that are in that box. So it says then one ball is chosen at random from the box. Okay, so when it means at random, you know, your hand goes in, but you're not looking at what ball you're picking out. Its number is recorded, and then the ball is replaced in the box. So when it says the ball is replaced in the box, they've taken that ball out, they write down whatever number it was, and then when replaced in the box means they put it back in the box. This process was carried out 75 times in total. How many times would you expect an even numbered ball to have been chosen? You must show all your work in. Now, even numbered, okay, if we look at the numbers here, that are in that box, the even numbers, of course, will be 2 and 4, okay? So the probability, okay, of getting an even number from one sort of selection, so I can write it like that, right? Probability P, bracket then even number. From one selection, when I put my hand in, well, if you think about it, you've got 2 chances, haven't you, out of 5. Okay, so write your workings down. You're getting marked just for writing that down. But you have got 2 chances out of 5 of getting an even number. All right? But it does say, of course, this process was carried out 75 times. Okay? So when we see the probability here of an even number, 2 out of 5, what we're saying is you've got 2 chances out of 5 of winning. Okay, we can think of it that way. 2 chances out of 5 of winning. Okay, we can think of it like that. Okay, so suppose you played the game 5 times, you should, in theory, win twice. Okay, if you actually played it 5 times, because chances of winning are 2 out of 5. But they don't play it 5 times, they play it 75 times. So if you've got 2 chances out of 5 of winning, what we can do is try and scale it up. Okay, if you play 5 games, you probably win twice. If you played 75 games, how many times would you win? Well, let's try and scale this up. So we need to see how many times 5 goes into 75. Okay, so there you've got to do your tables. All right. So we've got to see how many times 5 goes in there. And when you work it out, well, I know 5 goes into 50 10 times. So then 75, then there'll be another 5 times. So it goes into it 15 times. Okay, you go through your 5 times tables and you'll work that out. So I'm timesing the bottom by 15. Got to then times the top by 15. Okay, with a fraction. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So that means 30. So what we're saying here is you've got 30 chances out of 75 of winning, in the sense then. So in other words, in terms of how many times you'd expect to win, you would expect to win 30 times. So it's important to put that answer at the end there. You'd expect to win 30 times.